Assalamu alaikum friends. When it comes to having a healthy breakfast, the smoothie is the easiest way to do it. This is apple and oats smoothie which is very creamy and tasty. Now here I have taken one apple, medium size cut, 2 teaspoon of oats, 3 dates. Take the seeds of the dates out. Here I have taken 5 almonds, raisins and walnuts. Add all the ingredients to the blender. Now I have taken here sweetened almond milk. Almond milk have very less calories, so I have taken here half cup of it. Add to the blender. You can also take semi-skimmed milk, blend it well to a smooth paste. Now we'll serve this in a cup. I have not added any sugar to this smoothie as the date and apple were sweetened enough and the almond milk was sweet. This smoothie is a great way to kickstart your day and is ideal for your weight loss, and it can be made very quickly and easily in early morning when you don't have time. Please try this recipe. Here we are with another great breakfast recipe. We combine the apple and the spinach blend with oats and the almond milk, better for extra protein and fiber. One medium size apple, cut it into a small pieces and add it to blender. Add 2 teaspoon of oats. Any regular oats will be good enough for here, and a bunch of spinach. Add it to the blender. Here I have taken 2 figs, 3 dates, 2 walnuts and 4 almonds. Take out the seeds of the dates and add everything to the blender. Add half cup of sweetened almond milk. As you can see, I have taken half cup of sweetened almond milk here. Add to the blender to make a smooth paste. This apple, spinach and oats are very good source of iron, protein and fiber. This smoothie is also rich in antioxidants that aids your cell fights back the aging process. It gives you healthy weight loss and keeps you full for the longer period of time, which is very good for your weight loss. Thank you for watching.